Funchy, schmunchy. Also, I just want to wear my tank top and my jeans.
She's going to hit 5 p.m. tomorrow afternoon, so hopefully she is going to be able to make it in here.
I got changed in the bathroom at a gas station.
1 FM broadcasting live from the Colton Steakhouse. First thing she did, she ran around the counter and gave me a big old Kentucky hug.
First time on the road last year. It was the first time I had gotten my heart broken, and I know, and so I decided I was going to get rid of all my stuff, and I was just going to go on the road and make music, because music's like this world that I can live in, and so it's like easy to breathe. It was an intense summer. I think I played almost 80 shows in 4 months that summer.
Wow.
And it ranged, I know, it was so intense, and I'm on fire for music and to meet people and to come to towns, and I met this town last summer and fell in love, so I'm so grateful that the Bourbon Festival is having me back, which I don't know if you've seen their lineup. It's epic.
Yeah.
I'm so excited to see these other bands.
You think that we can just, off the cuff, just put something together, just something quick for them that can tease them?
Hi! Got to the Hampton Inn at Bardstown with these two lovely people, and they gave me some of their pizza. I was so hungry. I'm so excited.